Onaka, and welcome to Onaka Transport Solutions. I hope you enjoyed the festivities last night. Nothing is too good for my newest associates. And tell me, what did you think of my many ships? That Corellian is a fast one, eh? You passed my first test. There's always a few bumps the first time out. But today, you are ready for my deal of a lifetime. And with no questions asked. Well, I can tell you, that is just the beginning. Oh, Chewbacca, my fine friend. What seems to be the matter now? A problem? I don't recall a problem. I believe we sorted out those supplies last night. Oh, that's ridiculous. I would never risk lives over a little profit. There is not a single time I have done that. Well, I did say single time. Well, never mind. Look, what is a few repairs between friends? Trust me. Yes, of course. The shipment will be...
Step aside, citizen. Remain calm. We are here for your safety. The Wookiee.
Whoa. Easy there. Easy, everyone.
Identify yourself, citizen.
Well, I, of course, am Hondo Onaka, owner of Onaka Transport Solutions.
We've been looking for that Wookiee and a resistance spy. Stand down.
Whoa, my friends. This is clearly a misunderstanding. Yes, this is a Wookiee, but he is not the Wookiee. No, indeed. We would never do business with those types.
The resistance has been seen in this sector. We have orders to detain anyone who is a threat to the First Order.
A threat? We are about profits here. The resistance? I've no interest in resisting anything, my friend. I would never harbor them at my completely legitimate shipping business.
Hey, you guys looking for me?
It's the spy we've been tracking. She has the location of the resistance base.
Hey, you're slower than usual.
These resistance traitors know how to blend in. Get her.
Farewell, my fine friends. Nice to see you. We'll secure this area. What? I always find trouble. It is you they were looking for. You stand out like a loose Ronto. No, you know she'll be fine. No harm done. Come, let's get you those supplies we've been talking about. And I'm sure she will circle back to us. She always gives them the slip. Oh, and you, I will be right back. Deal of a lifetime, my friends. Deal of a lifetime.
And now, please welcome Chairman of Disney Parks, Experiences and Products, Bob Chapek.
Good morning, everyone. Whoa, that's force right there. On behalf of everyone at Disney Parks, Experiences and Products, thank you for joining us here at the edge of the galaxy. You know, for nearly a century, the Walt Disney Company has defined and redefined entertainment. And with the opening of Star Wars Galaxy's Edge, well, we set a new standard for the most immersive storytelling in the galaxy. So when we first began exploring what a robust Star Wars experience at our parks might look like, we knew it had to be unlike anything else or anyone else has ever created. And Bob Iger charged our Imagineers not with being ambitious, but with being the most ambitious that they've ever been. And boy, have they delivered. Every aspect of this land, from the droid tracks on the pavement to the spires that reach the sky, is 100% authentically Star Wars. And every experience, from visiting the cantina for a glass of blue milk, to piloting the Millennium Falcon, to interacting with your favorite characters, immerses you deeper into your very own Star Wars story. This is storytelling on a truly epic scale. And as you know, we opened Star Wars Galaxy's Edge at Disneyland a few months ago, and the feedback from our guests has been absolutely phenomenal. We've seen tears of joy from fans who waited their entire lives to be part of the Star Wars universe. Screams of excitement and laughter as guests took the fastest hunk of junk in the galaxy for a spin, and moments of incredible emotion from the thousands of people who had built their very own lightsaber with a little help from an expert guide and, of course, the Force. It's no surprise that Star Wars Galaxy's Edge is Disneyland's top-rated land, or that Time magazine just named it one of the world's greatest places. Star Wars Galaxy's Edge is part of a transformation of Disney's Hollywood Studios that's taking it from a place that brought you behind the scenes to one that puts you in the center of the action, all with the perfect mix of classic and new magic. This transformation began with the opening of Toy Story Land last year, and will continue into 2020 with the opening of the first ever Mickey Mouse ride-through attraction, Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. While the Disney Skyliner will soon make getting here even more magical. Star Wars Galaxy's Edge is just one part of the ongoing expansion of our parks from around the world, as we invest to create the greatest experiences in the world, or the galaxy, for that matter. We're bringing more of the Disney difference, and that's more magic and more unique experiences to more people and places than ever before. I want to thank Walt Disney Imagineering, led by Bob Weiss and Kareem Daniel, for delivering something truly special with an amazing new land. And the Imagineering lead for this project, Scott Trowbridge, whose vision you see here today. I also want to acknowledge Catherine Powell, who leads our Parks and Resorts West team, along with Walt Disney World President George Kalogridis and the entire Walt Disney World team for all they've done to launch this new land. But most importantly, I want to thank the amazing cast members who are all now citizens of Batuu and who have breathed life into every corner of Galaxy's Edge. And now it's my great honor and privilege to invite the world to live their very own Star Wars adventure right here on Batuu. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Star Wars